I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into your Pinterest app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login errors. Step 2. Update the Pinterest app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Pinterest app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find Pinterest and select Clear Cache. Note, on some devices, you may need to tap Storage before you see the Clear Cache option. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the Airshock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall the Pinterest app and then reinstall it. This can fix persistent issues that other steps didn't resolve. I hope these steps help you get back to pinning in no time. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.